Hey everyone, this is Andrew, and today is your how to solve a 2 by 2 Rubik's Cube. In this how to video, you'll be able to analyze patterns and memorize algorithms to help you solve. This one is the exact same as a 3 by 3 color wise and kind of formation wise, and we'll actually use a couple of the algorithms to solve just like we would a 3 by 3. So if you can learn how to do this, then you're already about halfway to learning the 3 by 3 Rubik's Cube. So right now it's solved, and that's no help to us. So let's scramble it up. So some quick terminology as we solve this. As long as you know where your front is, you have front and back, you have top and bottom, you have right and left. If I say front, it's clockwise. If I say right, it's clockwise. If I say top, it's clockwise. If I say back, that back face goes clockwise. Prime goes the other way. So top prime is counterclockwise. Right prime is counterclockwise. Top prime counterclockwise. So if you hear me say like right prime, front, right, well, I used this one twice, but the right prime came that way. Right prime came counterclockwise, and regular right went clockwise. It's the same for any direction: top, bottom, front, back, left, right. Prime means counterclockwise. So now we're scrambled up. And it doesn't look like that because all of my whites are facing up. But the problem is they don't really go together. I got a whole bunch of whites on top that don't belong. So if you take one of these and kind of move it out of the way, we need to then try to find where this one goes. So we have white with red and green. Well, here's the green. Here's the other white and green. So if I can get this one to sit here, then I'm good. So because this white and green can sit here, and this white face can sit here, as long as this one is not in this rotation, move it out of the way and put it back just like that. And now I got white, white, green, green. That's perfect. And actually what happened was it set up my white, white, red, red. So now I only have one left. So again, because this one can come down here just like that, now my top layer is solved. Now there is one potential problem you can have where just the way this rotates is, well, I kind of need that there, but I kind of need that there, and there's really almost no way to get out of it. Well, here's how you do. It doesn't matter which one. Move it out of the way, shift this one twice, and then put it back. And now it's in a much easier position to finish off your top layer. Now the bottom layer is easy but tricky at the same time. We're going to just use the same algorithm over and over and over until we get yellow, 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 yellow. Okay, so it doesn't matter what your front is. I'm going to choose blue. But you go right, top, right prime, top, right, top, top, right prime, top. And we're actually going to get there fairly quick because if you have a yellow in the bottom left and then your front is yellow in the top right, our next one is actually going to probably be all yellow. So again, it's right, top, right prime, top, right, top, top, right prime, top. So I got there kind of quickly, but it doesn't even matter. However you get to this point, you eventually will. If you happen to get stuck in some sort of loop, just kind of change it up a little bit. Just twist the top or whatever, and you'll eventually get to right there. So now that yellow's solved and our white layer is totally solved, it's time for us to fix everything else. So this one is the same algorithm over and over. So right now we are not set up to be able to solve it with just a little bit left. So we're going to do this algorithm actually twice. Right prime, front, right prime, back, back, right, front prime, back, back, right, right. And what happens is we're looking for one side that's completely solved. This now becomes our back. So green will now be our front. We're going to do this exact same algorithm again, and then we should be right there. So right prime, front, right prime, back, back, right, front prime, right prime, whoops, back, back, right, right, and one quick twist, and your 2 by 2 is solved.